How to earn money using Twitter NFT hashtags. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we'll be taking a look at how you can earn money using Twitter hashtags. So let's get into it. Now, nobody has ever thought that they would be able to earn money using Twitter hashtags. However, it is most definitely possible and you can earn money with hashtags. And we're going to be talking about a simple tool that you can use to do so to earn money with Twitter hashtags. Now, this tool is actually called Tag Protocol. Now, what is Tag Protocol? How do you do this? We're going to be talking about all of this. Well, it's very simple. Tag Protocol is a platform that enables you to register a hashtag, and it is mostly based for NFTs. And once you use it, you can use it as a virtual mining machine to mine a specific coin that they call Tagcoin. Now, what is Tagcoin? Tagcoin is a cryptocurrency. It is available on PancakeSwap as well. So you can swap it on PancakeSwap for a different cryptocurrency. You can see tagcoin.io over here. This is the price of Tagcoin. It is currently trading at 0.0551 USD, and currently the market is down, so it makes sense that the price is going to be pretty low. However, it is a reliable way to make money with hashtags. So what you're basically going to be doing is you're going to search for a Twitter hashtag and you're going to register it, and the more the hashtag is used, the more money that you can earn. So the more you tweet or the more other people tweet with that hashtag, even if it's not regarding cryptocurrency, so even if the hashtag is something that you are relating to crypto but other people are not, you're still going to be making money as if it were a NFT hashtag. And if you scroll down over here, you can actually see that they have over 45,945 hashtags registered. So a lot of the popular terms are registered, and that is something to keep in mind. Now, the difficult part about earning money is to actually find a hashtag which is going to be available and which is going to be used frequently. So there are some key points that I would like you guys to keep in mind. First off, it is to make sure that the hashtag has longevity. So that means if something is just trending right now, let's say something like crypto monkeys are trending right now, they might go out of season in like a month or so and it won't be popular anymore. Let's say a movie is currently trending, so Turning Red, that's a movie that's trending. After a couple of months, the trend will die out and the searches or the hashtags will decrease and you will no longer be earning money. So you want to go for a hashtag that is going to be evergreen, which means that a hashtag that is going to be constantly used over and over again. So what is a hashtag like that? Well, there are multiple different examples that we can go to, but a simple example would be hashtag NFT. So if I search for hashtag NFT, it is a very, very popular hashtag. Everyone is using it all the time, and you can see that this is definitely going to be registered. So if you just search for hashtag NFT, you can just see that the availability for this is not available because this is already registered. All the popular things that you might find in the NFT sphere are going to be registered. So things like Nike, all of those popular terms are registered. However, there are many tools that you can use to get started with registering your own NFT hashtag. You can go on to the NFT space and just go onto Twitter and search for the hashtags that popular people are using. ETC Planet. So hashtag ETC Planets is a new hashtag that is appearing. I can see that there have been over 100 tweets about this. I think that this is a NFT collection, and if I'm able to register this, I will be able to make quite a money, although I do think that this hashtag is not going to be very long term. It's still going to be a good option. So you're just going to connect your crypto wallet over here. And once you connect your crypto wallet, just like that, you're just going to click on approve. You're going to click on switch network because I was not on the Ethereum network. And then after that, we are just going to go back We're going to click on over here, and then you're going to put in a referral address. I will leave a referral address in the bottom, so you're going to be able to register your NFT hashtag or your hashtag, even if it's not related to NFTs. I will leave the hashtag for referrals down below so you can get started as well. Now, going back to our search method. Now, you want to look for hashtags that are going to be good. A good example is using football teams or using, sports teams to get a hashtag, because sports teams, sometimes, when the sports season comes in, they are searched very often, but even in the off season, sports teams are super popular and they get a lot of fan edits, a lot of tweets. People are constantly talking about sports. So it is something that does not go out of trend. So let's say that you can go with the Washington Redskins. Now, this is currently available, so you can click on register now, connect your wallet, and then simply register your hashtag to begin earning money. And it's not going to be direct money, you're going to be earning Tagcoin. So you're going to be mining Tagcoin, and then you can use PancakeSwap to swap that Tagcoin for a different cryptocurrency, or simply you can swap it for BNB or USDT and put that and withdraw that directly into your bank account. That is another option that you can do with this simple method, and you can earn quite a bit of money, especially if the hashtag that you use is popular. So just make sure that you have a understanding of the trend of the hashtag, whether or not it is going to be searched in the future, and how many people are currently talking about it. And just look around, look for popular hashtags and look for similar results. You can even use keyword research tools to find hashtags that are trending, and there are a lot of videos I have on keyword research, so just check those out to see what kind of terms people are searching, and then just search for those terms on Twitter to see if the search trend is similar, and if it's similar, then you can use those as a hashtag as well. And you are now able to make money with Twitter hashtags. It's simple, easy, and such a effective way to make passive income with hashtags. Who would have ever thought you could make money with hashtags? So just head on over to tagprotocol.com to get started with this method. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to follow along with these methods and techniques that I showed in this video. And if you found them helpful, make sure to share them with someone you might think that may need these. Share them with your friends, with your family, with your cousins, and share them with any business partners that you might have. And it might help you guys a lot to know all of these techniques and to follow along. And if you enjoyed this video, I would recommend that you please leave a like. And if you have any questions regarding this video, regarding any other video, or regarding any social platform, then you can definitely ask me in the comments down below, and I will try to answer as soon as possible, because that is the point of our YouTube channel. I want to show you guys on how to glide through these platforms and how to easily navigate and fulfill the purposes that you want to do with these social platforms. And if you have any details that you might want to know, any suggestions, any improvements that you think that I could add on to these videos, then please do leave them in the comment box down below, and I will make future videos according to those. And if you have any specific topics that you look forward to, also leave those in the comment box down below, and I will try to make videos on those as well. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out other videos. And if you feel like some other video might be helpful to someone else, make sure to share our videos with your friends and family as well. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.